And you jam out with the bee! Woo! What is up, my bees? This is the Hive. I'm your host, Bee. Today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial that is subtle. I'm going to be using the Matte Metallic LA Colors palette alongside the palette that has no name, which can be found in stores. We're going to be using the Rimmel London foundation in the shade Fair Ivory. For the highlight, we are going to be using the Wet n Wild makeup stick. For my eyelashes and my brows, we are going to be using the CoverGirl Clear Mascara. We are also going... Sorry. For the eyeliner, we are going to be using the All My Intense color. I had to say it intensely. And finally, for the lips, we are going to be using LA Colors lipstick. Sorry. Also have these two brushes. Yeah. Also have these two brushes. First, we are going to be dipping into this shade with the Matte Metallic palette. And you're just going to get right in there, you know. You're going to get close and tap tap. And then you're just going to... You're just going to smear it on your eyes. Do a time lapse for this part. You're going to do the same with the other eye. Repeat the process of tapping it off and rubbing it into your eyeball violently. Okay, slowly. Make sure you get it nice and blended out. And then you're gonna take the pink, this light pink shimmery shade in the Matte Metallic palette and tap it off gently. And then you're just going to... This is not even... And you're just going to apply it mostly on your lid. Slowly. Making sure you stroke your eyeball. Sorry. I'm gonna do the same exact thing for the other eye. Ow! Without hitting yourself in the eye. Next, we are going to take the foundation and apply some onto your hand. Just a little bit. About this much.
Don't touch the camera.
And then you about this much. And then you're going to take your thinner brush and just dab it in. And then you're going to take your brush and you're just going to line your eyelid with the foundation. And if you mess up, just blend it out. And then you take your fat fingy. Sorry. And then you take your finger and you're just gonna blend it out. And then you're going to repeat the step for your other eye. Sorry. You're just gonna take it off and then smear it on your fat eye. And smear it on your eye and then dab it in with your finger. Boom. Now we have that complete. And if you have excess, just smear it into your hand. And then you're going to take your shimmery shades, shimmery palette. And you're going to open it. And you're going to take the thing out. You're going to dip into the lightest shade here. 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 And you're going to smear a little bit. Then you're going to tap it off a tiny bit. And then you're just going to apply a line and then continue to where you ended your foundation. Then tap it in so that it blends out evenly. And then you're going to repeat the process for the other eye. Repeat after me. Sorry, can't take myself seriously. Just blend it out even. Okay. So now that we've done that, we're going to take your eyeliner and just get it off. And then you're okay. And then you're just going to go follow your can't speak. And then you're just going to put it, gonna follow it, and I would not suggest going all the way into the corner because no. And then you're just going to make sure it's nice and wet. And you're going to take it from the corner and bring it up very lightly. Bring it up very lightly while raising your eyebrows because it helps. And then just bring it back down. And fill it in. And boom. You're gonna dip it back into the pot. And and then you're going to continue on the other eye and just repeat the step. Oh, and final step. The highlight stick. The stick of truth. Okay. You're going to highlight all of the same places that you normally would. You're just gonna go like shout, shout, shout. That's hot. And then just blend it out. Even if you have a fat zit on your nose. Yum. And the final step is to take the lipstick and just add it to your lips, even if you barely have them. And now that we're done with that, we're going to go to our eyelashes because now our eyeliner has dried. And so you're just gonna regularly put on your eyeliner. So you're just going to put on the mascara like usual. And this clear mascara really helps look more natural. And I fridged up. Never mind. Okay, now we have our eyelashes done. Sorry. Yes! Okay, and now you're going to wipe off the thing. Now you're going to take off a lot of the mascara and you're just going to do your brows. So I like to just like start to look a little like a wolf. Maybe make them go up a little too high. And then after, you smooth them down. Then you're gonna just put it back in and then take it off. And then repeat the process on the other eyebrow. So scoop up, scooping it up, scooping it down, scooping it all around. Boom. Now you have a very shimmery and fun makeup. Then you're going to take down your hair because you've done all of your makeup and so you don't need it up anymore. And then, because you're a bee, you put on your bee hat, you put on your bee gloves, and you have you put on your bee gloves, and you jam out with the bee! And that is the tutorial for today. Thank you for joining the Hive, my bees. Now, I am signing off. Buzz, buzz! Come on. Mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.